Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming limits and where space is spent so you know the target. Open settings, read use GB and quota percentage, then sort or search for large items. For example, use has, attachment larger, 5M and filter newsletters or attachments. Once done, create an archive label and a temporary folder named Cleanup Temp. This preserves anything you may need. You act now. Move big but important threads into archive, and flag obvious trash for fast deletion later. You proceed with bulk actions to free major space. Select search results in batches, 50 to 200, and choose archive or delete. Batching reduces sync errors. Meanwhile, export critical folders to a local PSD or MBox, or move them to a cloud backup, and tag with year labels so retrieval is simple. Once done, create filters. Auto-delete promotions older than 90 days, auto-archive receipts, and unsubscribe from recurring lists to prevent future bills. You finish by emptying trash and spam, which often returns the largest amount of space. Then check settings to confirm the used percentage dropped. Next, rerun size-based searches and a duplicate check to remove lingering large attachments. If something goes wrong, for example, messages not disappearing or sync stalls, pause syncing, clear the app cache, and resync, or open the web client, which often forces a server-side refresh. Make sure to verify backups before any permanent deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.